Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time, like I told you, I'm gonna make something special. We're gonna make still another silhouette, but we're gonna make a wolf. A wolf with the scene of the outdoors. You're gonna have land and sky. So I think it's gonna be a nice mix because we're gonna use, as a matter of fact, two techniques. We're gonna use the dirty pouring and we're going to use a regular technique. This time, instead of using a vinyl adhesive, we're going to use a simple decalc of a wolf, a picture that you can draw yourself or something that you can take from the internet or Google, search, and then you cut it around and then you put it on your canvas and you trace it, then you paint it. Me, I prefer to paint it black, so yeah, I think it's a nice marriage between the abstract and some realism. So I think it's gonna look nice. Sorry, because I have a cold. I have a damn cold. The weather is unbelievable. It's always minus 20, something like that. Can you imagine? I think since Sunday, only Sunday, I had to plow the driveway about 3 times the same thing. I think it's the first time. Then yesterday I had to do the roof, so can you imagine? Now I have a good cold in the sinus, so yeah, a real cold though, you know, a man's cold. So guys, by the way, tomorrow, the 11th of February, it's gonna be the anniversary that it's gonna be 1 year since I have opened my YouTube channel. So it's kind of great. I think we're gonna be up to 380 videos. So yeah, I didn't waste any time. I went at it full throttle. So guys, I hope you enjoy, and like always, gonna come back and please, you know, subscribe and follow us on our Facebook page. So that would be nice. So guys, thank you, and well, we're gonna talk at the end of the video, but for now, let's go and see what happens. So guys, I think it's a nice mix between two technique, meaning the almost realism technique and the abstract. So I think our wolf is stuck between an imaginary world, wow, that was a tongue twister for me, eh? And the abstract world. So I think it's nice. I think it's really a nice result, and like I said, a nice mix between two techniques and two different kind of technique, because we mix abstract with realism. So I think it's rarely done, but I think the result is great. So like I said, you can use all kind of image. At one point I was supposed to use a mermaid, the silhouette of a mermaid, but then I like more wolf, you know. Like you see, I think I'm gonna show you, I did make a long time ago some small wolf, some baby wolf. In fact, I think it was one of my greatest painting. Well, one which meant the most to me. So I think that's the important thing. First you do your art for yourself, then you hope someone else is gonna like it. So that's always the same thing. But in abstract, it's rare that you don't find someone who likes it, because you can find all kind of image inside one abstract. So it's kind of fun. So guys, on that note, again, thanks for being here. Thanks for coming back, and I hope to see you again and again. So like always guys, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. So take care guys. Ciao.